two vessels contain a mixture of milk and water, means in both the vessels milk and water stored. In the first vessel, the ratio of milk to water is 8:3. That means in the first vessel, if 8 unit is the quantity of milk, then with respect to that, 3 unit will be the portion of water in that mixture. In the second vessel, the ratio is 5:1. So in the second vessel, if the milk is 5 unit, then the water is 1 unit in ratio. Now it is said a 35-liter cask is filled from this vessel. So from these two vessels, a 35-liter one cask is there that is filled so as to contain the mixture of milk and water in the ratio 4:1. Where from these two vessels the mixture is collected and kept, there the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. You are asked how many liters are taken from the first vessel. So let's solve. So we will consider either milk or water. Here we are considering milk out of the total quantity. In the first vessel, if we consider the quantity of milk, that will be 8 out of 8 plus 3, 11, because water plus milk, it is 8 plus 3, 11. So out of 11, 8 is milk in the first vessel. Similarly, in the second vessel, 5 out of 6. Why 5 out of 6? Because milk is 5 and total milk plus water, that is 5 plus 1, 6. So this is the condition of the second vessel. From this, a third vessel is filled, that is in the ratio 4:1. That means milk is 4 out of what? 5, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Now let's find out the quantity of mixture taken from vessel 1 and vessel 2 to keep in vessel 3. So how you are going to do? First you need to find the difference of these two. So if we find out the difference of these two, you will get 5/6 minus 4/5. So here let's take LCM, that is 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25 minus 6 4s are 24. So we are getting over here 1/30. Similarly, we will find out the difference of this two, that is 4/5 minus 8/11. So you are getting LCM, that is 5 11s are 55 is your LCM. Now 4 into 11 is 44 minus 5 into 8 is 40. So here you are getting 44 minus 40, that is 4/55. Now let us find out the final ratio by cancelling. So here if we cancel this one and this one by 5, then 5 6 are 30 and 5 11s are 55. Now let us multiply crisscross. So here you are getting 11 into 1, 11 is to 6 4s are 24. So here ratio is 11:24. That means if 11 unit is taken from vessel 1, then 24 unit will be taken from vessel 2 and it is kept in vessel 3, where the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. Now according to the question, if you add the quantity taken from vessel 1 and the quantity of mixture taken from vessel 2, if we add both, then it is stored in vessel 3, that is of 35 liter. So here if we add this two, that is in ratio, you are getting 35 unit. So here 35 unit is equal to 35 liter in actual. Here you are asked that how many liters are taken from the first vessel. So here the assumption and the real condition is same. That means here according to our assumption it is 11 unit, that means it will be 11 liter, means 11 liter of mixture taken from vessel 1 and 24 liter of mixture taken from vessel 2 to form 35 liter in the third vessel, that is new one.